Hey Ray, are you going to defeat Kylo Ren?
No.
Then where are you girls going?
To Tampa Bay Comic Con!
Today we are in Tampa, Florida, our hometown.
Comic Con.
Tampa Bay Comic Con 2019. We're gonna check out a lot of the vendors, see a lot of the cosplay. Isabella is dressed up as Rey today. Audrey is being, who are you?
Princess Leia.
Princess Leia. All right, so let's get inside and see what they got in there, right?
Yeah.
Our first Iron Man spotting. How you doing, Iron Man? Wow. With the Lord Vader. Awesome, thank you. Oh wow. Who is that? RTD2. Is he ever going to turn you to the dark side? No way. No, we did not.
So we're doing a raffle. All proceeds go to the Peter Mayhew Foundation, the man behind Chewbacca.
Great.
At 3:30, we're going to be doing this raffle for this R2KT or this Kylo Ren lightsaber. It's $1 per ticket.
Awesome. Do you guys do change?
Yeah, absolutely.
You change? Yeah, we'll do some.
We love the stuff that jingles. We
Answer your question.
Wow. They even have a bat car here. Tampa Bay Comic Con. Look at this. For just $10, you can sit in it and get your picture taken.
Hi, we're Studio Desaad. Check out all our lovely artwork. We're an art studio based out of Columbus, Ohio. We have most of our work is going to be done by either our lead artist, Nigel Saad, who's done these,
They're amazing.
or here are a couple pages here, Sarah Wilkinson.
Cool.
We deal in archival quality art. Everything is color guaranteed for a lifetime. So if you ever fades or discolors, we'll just send it right back to her. You can send it back to us and we'll replace it for you.
Awesome. And here is their card here.
Yeah, and the website's on the back.
There you go. Just an amazing collection of Star Wars memorabilia. Look at that awesome Princess Leia. A wise one, he says. Oh my God, remember these? The ones for your bathroom to rinse your mouth out? Darth Vader Dixie cups? This stuff is awesome. Look at all of these collectible figures. X-Wings. What do you think about these guys?
Awesome.
Pretty awesome, right? Look at this beauty. If you're interested in any of the products I showed you in this booth, you can find them at, come on phone, Jawa Trading Company. Pamela. Pamela.
Yeah, definitely. Daddy, that's one.
All the Funko Pops your heart can desire.
Maybe kiss all the
I think we found the booth with most creative t-shirts.
Never give grandma. Daddy, never give grandma.
Audrey, what are you doing? Using your force? On Iron Man? Whoa. That's cool, right? Captain America shield. They also have these cool 3D, I don't know if it's showing up on camera, photos. They're cool, right, Belle? I am Groot.
Who would buy something like that?
Are you Groot? These shirts are hysterical.
Buttons and little plushes. I think I'm gonna mama.
These lights are amazing. Got Groot here doing meet and greets. Definitely one of the most impressive costumes we've seen at Comic Con this year.
What do you think, Dave? Should I get you?
So we're just taking a little break to have some lunch, right, girl?
Yeah.
You having fun so far? What are your thoughts on your first Comic Con?
I think it's really fun.
You do? What do you think? You like it?
Yeah.
All right. We're looking for 2 droids. Have you seen them? Come on, we know you know where they are. Have you seen 2 droids? All right. We'll keep looking then. A trash compactor? They found themselves in a trash compactor? How are you gonna get out, Ray? Are you gonna defeat the guard? Whoa! We need your help. We're looking for secret plans from Princess Leia. Do you know where they are? No? We know you have them in there. Please help us. You're our only hope. Not today, huh? Alright, we'll try again some other time. Thanks, R2. You're the best. I think Bella found her favorite booth of the Comic Con so far, right? It's the art of Megan Whitney. And it looks like mostly Disney-inspired watercolors. They are really amazing. Alright, we got some cake in it, right?
Yeah.
You all charged up?
Yeah.
You rested?
Yeah.
You ready to go back and hit the floor? Are you looking forward to seeing anyone or meeting any characters too?
Ariel.
Ariel?
Yeah.
Anyone else?
I think Jasmine will probably see.
Jasmine? How about Kimura? We did see Kimura.
Yeah. And what about Snow White?
Is that Audrey?
Snow White.
Oh, Snow White. All right.
Spider-Man.
Ariel?
Spider-Girl. Spider-Man.
Oh my goodness. All right, well, let's go back out and see what we can find.
Yeah.
Oh no. There seemed to be some kind of standoff here. The Agent Shield and the Batverse. Awesome.
Hey, can you take a picture with me?
There seems to be some kind of congregation of superheroes over here. Seems like we're not the only ones with the idea to come to Tampa Bay Comic Con today. It's quite busy.
Now I'm thinking
Huh? Oh, and Belle too, awesome. All right, I think that's gonna do it from Comic Con Tampa 2019. What'd you think about your first Comic Con?
I think it was awesome.
Did you have a good time?
Yeah.
What was the who do you think was dressed up the best out of all the people you've seen?
Batgirl.
Oh, you like Batgirl?
Yeah.
Yeah, I did too. I like all the Star Wars.
My favorite was the Jasmine.
Oh yeah, that was nice. We'll put a picture of the Jasmine one in the vlog somewhere. I'll make sure of that. All right, that's gonna wrap it up. I think we had a great time. What do you say?
Bye, Florida Five fans.
Bye.
Just not my type. Never around during the day, only come out at night.
That's me.
Emotionally wounded, dark and brooding all the time. Hanging around with clowns. I don't need that in my life. I ain't Selena Kyle. I ain't no Vicky Vale. I was never into you, even when you were Christian Bale.
I'm more of a Keaton guy myself.
I loved him as Beetlejuice.
Oh, yeah, we're flawed, but that's what makes us so relatable.
I'm just not into guys who can fly.
I can fly.
The Batwing can fly. Rich boys with gadgets are not my type.
What is your type?
Kryptonian men on my kryptonite.
Gross.
I'm just not into Gotham City guys.
So what? You dig Superman? I don't care. But like, listen up. You're clearly just confused. Gotham dudes are the best. We have deep, manly voices and insanely ripped pecs. We're Affleck level hot, and we're Oprah level rich. With George Clooney level charm and Val Kilmer lips. We work for our powers cause we're self-made men. We didn't just get them from the sun like an entitled alien. Go on one day with me and you'll change your mind.
Unsubscribe. I'm just not into Gotham City
Give me a chance.
Her to catchy pop music. That will change her tune.
I'll start with one that's sure to get stuck in her head.